And welcome, I'm Uday Pratap Singh. You're joining us on this special interview on NewsX. We are in conversation today with well-known actor Pulkit Samrat, who is all set to storm into your living rooms and your bedrooms and your homes with an action-packed, very exciting new thriller called Tesh. Pulkit, welcome to NewsX. Good to have you back.
Thank you so much, Uday. It's always a pleasure talking to you.
Bilkul. And you're, of course, in Delhi today, but we are so close, yet so far.
That is true. Such are the times.
Yes, exactly. But we'll of course get to this unprecedented time in just a second. But just starting out about Tesh, action-packed caper. The promo went viral. People loved the preview. Then, of course, the trailer upped it a notch, gave everyone an idea about what each character's storyline is. But people are very intrigued and waiting to watch it from the 29th of October. Tell us about what was exciting about this project, which convinced you to say yes, and how it's really shaped up for you.
Actually, everything about the project was exciting. It was as if, somebody asked me, yaar, kaisi picture karni hai? So I would say a story test jaisi, director Bijoy jaisa, cast में एक कृति खरबंदा जैसी कोई होनी चाहिए, एक जिम साहब जैसा होना चाहिए, हर्ष जैसा, संगीता जैसी, सलोनी बत्रा जैसा जैसी. Then, they should also be Virat Patel kind of a person. Then we should also have Saurabh Sachdeva kind of a talented human being on a set. ऐसा कुछ पैकेज है ना तो मजा आ जाएगा. And that is what Tesh is all about. If somebody is offering me that, it would be very, very, stupid of me to say no to such a film. I love the script. I love the cast that I'm a part of. Everyone. In fact, I feel I'm the weakest in the entire ensemble. I've learned so much from everybody because, they all are from very different school of acting. So I was looking forward to this collaboration. And then obviously on top of everything, it is Bijoy. And Bijoy has been on my bucket list since the time I wanted to become an actor and since the time I came to Mumbai. And today, if he shows faith in me that I can be a part of his world, then, it means a big deal to me.
Yeah. And, also your particular look, your character has generated a lot of buzz on social media already. So just take us to the reactions that came in, on the basis of the trailer. People haven't even seen the project, but already loving your look.
That is true. Touch wood, the response has been really great. And people are loving the new avatar. They are calling it from lover boy to angry young man kind of thing. And I'm really overwhelmed with it. But a lot of hard work went into it, not just from my side, but from the entire team. Bijoy had a very clear vision. Then I also was on the same page. So we discussed a lot ki kya kare, kaise look rakhe, tattoos rakhe, nahi rakhe. So we did a few look tests without tattoos, then with some fake tattoos. मेरे पास याद है मुझे when we were doing a look test at my place, we didn't have the tattoos with us at that time. So I took a marker and I started scribbling on my arms and everything. It took me more than 10 days to take it off. In excitement, though, I did that. And, then Alim, he came on board for the hair and he insisted that I stick to this hair and I should try this at least once. When we tried it, everybody loved it. So I said, okay, let's keep it then. Actually writing had so much clarity in it and so much of detail in it that it was very easier to branch out from those and expand on those ideas. So because character इतना clear था, मेरे लिए जो मुझे मुश्किल लगने वाला था वो काफी आसान काम हो गया.
Yeah, true. And अब look और hair का जिक्र तो कर ही दिया है, तो I have to ask you on your look today as well and your hair. It's a new look for you, so it's looking good. Is this your lockdown hair that you haven't cut it, or something for a new film?
This is again Alim Hakim. Because there's a new film that I'm about to begin after Fukre. Which should be, so we are just trying different kind of looks for that one. So Alim has insisted that I do not cut my hair, and he keeps trimming them every 20 days and he keeps shaping them every 20 days. So we have tried curling my hair, we've tried keeping them straight, we've tried high ponies and all that stuff. So abhi wo experiment chal raha hai, and somehow people are liking this jungly avatar also of mine. So I'm very, very excited. मजा आता है, these kind of things to try when you have a team that you can fall on to and team that you trust in कि हाँ यार ये लोग जो बोल रहे हैं ना correct बात कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, true. But just speaking about Tesh, of course, It's the first of its kind for you as well. You know, generally the look, the action, of course, working with Bijoy. You were just telling us, of course, about your talented ensemble cast a few minutes back, but also, you know, the fact that it's your first digital release in a way. It was obviously not meant to be, but such are the times. And also your first, project that's going to release as a film and a web series at the same time, which is also in
Correct.
treatment. So just talk to us about the fact that it's going straight to digital
It's
and web
very
series.
exciting, yeah. I actually never thought that something like this could be possible. Matlab, when I got to know ki, it is releasing as a film and as a six-part series simultaneously. So I immediately called Bijoy and I'm like, are we really doing this? So he said, yeah. So I'm just looking forward to the fact that, how Bijoy has actually done his magic on the edit table to give two very different experiences in terms of a film experience and in terms of a binge watching six-part series experience. And both the storytelling is in both the formats, the storytelling is very different. So I think I'm going to watch the film first and then move on to the binging part of it
Yeah.
and go on all night back to back
Yeah.
with all the episodes. That is definitely going to happen.
Well, for sure. Okay, you know, just speaking very quickly now about this last few months, which have been so unprecedented, of course, the sign of the times, as you were saying earlier. But how has it really been like for you? You know, the lockdown, something that you missed through all of it, the tough times through all of it, and also perhaps something that you gained, or the good times, the positives as well.
I would be lying if I say that I didn't feel anxious, I wasn't scared for my loved ones. I wasn't afraid to lose people. I wasn't, really paranoid as well. But on the other hand, all these feelings have eventually led to the feelings of being more empathetic towards others, being more, enjoyable towards the life, and making sure after understanding during the lockdown ki bhaiya, life is really short. You cannot predict. One day before we were about to take a flight, and today we are locked up in our own homes for the sake of our lives and our loved ones. So it is very unpredictable. Whatever you want to do, just do it right there, right at that very moment. Be spontaneous and live life to the fullest. I think that's one big mantra that I actually learned during the lockdown. And then I started baking breads as well. That has been my new love. I got time to actually explore that thing. So I started baking breads, and now I can just ferment my dough in the night and wake up in the morning, put the dough in the oven, and have like really warm, nice, crusty bread early in the morning for my breakfast. Then I started learning piano. So I've been playing piano and learning piano over the last few months, and that has been very exciting. That's again something that I wanted to do since a long time. And yes, I got a lot of time with my family. My pet was the happiest because koi ghar se nikal nahi raha hai, so he's like everybody's here. This is the best time, and yeah, so everything was fun.
And stayed fit as well. So what motivated you for that, and did you also change your workout regimen given the situation?
Uh, no, a lot of things were added to my daily routine in the sense, not just workout wise,
Mm.
but also, diet wise.
Mm.
I work in tandem with my trainer and my Ayurvedic doctor. So he keeps sending me immunity shots, and he keeps
Mm.
sending me stuff that is herbs that are really good for my immunity and my health. So that helps me a lot. Workout wise, मतलब to be really frank, मेरे को workout का इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ा because I have a gym set up in my home itself.
Yeah.
So when the gyms were shut, but the biggest drawback for me was that my trainer couldn't reach to me
Mm.
and personally train me. So it
Yeah.
was a very new experience for me to do it over the phone. And he's telling me over video calls कि bro अभी ये उठाओ, अच्छा अभी ये वाला मारो, ये क्या हुआ एंगल क्या चेंज किया. सो आई एम टेलिंग अरे भाई तू यहाँ पे होता तो तू ही बोलता मेरे को कि ये एंगल चेंज करो, ऐसा करो. सो इज लाइक नहीं इधर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ना, इसलिए पूछ
Yeah.
रहा हूँ मैं. So yeah, that was the only hitch, but I've been enjoying. Yeah, it's been nice. My workout is one of my meditation kind of exercise for me. So I did that. Then I also got time to explore EMS therapy, which helps in recovery, and also the altitude masks, which help with my lung capacity. So everything, just these 2-3 things were added to my regime. That's it.
Okay. Just speaking about the festive season as well now, which is almost upon us, but very different this time. Very different festive season. Dussehra, Diwali. तो कोई खास plans या you're going to be busy working?
खास प्लान यही है, इसीलिए दिल्ली में हूँ मैं अभी, to spend the festive season with my family. So right now I'm quarantining. So I hope people just take all the precautions if they're traveling and they want to be with their family and with people who are at high risk. Just quarantine yourself. Make sure we just, we would do a proper test, turn negative, and only then go back home. That is how it is planned. And I hope that everybody is responsible enough to take these steps on their own. Because we are seeing, unfortunately, people are thinking lockdown is gone and the virus is also gone. The lockdown just gave you time to gather yourself and make plans for how to go about with the new normal. And I hope that people still continue to take precautions and maintain social distance and keep their hands, nice and clean.
Yeah, and also since you're in Delhi, I'm sure you would want to make an appeal also to people to concentrate on the issue of pollution as well. Yeah.
Yes, 100%. That is there. I think there is also this program running right now, which is about switching off your cars at the red light. Correct. So that is going on. So I think small steps people are taking. These micro goals are the ones that actually result in a bigger impact. And I hope that every household contributes a little bit towards each of these things. Say no to crackers. It is a very sad affair when you see that the air is not breathable at all. I know the impact of it when a person cannot breathe that well, because my mother has been a lung transplant patient. So, I understand the importance of it. And I hope that people understand the importance without paying a cost of, that they understand the importance of clean air.
Okay. Last question then before we end on a Tesh note. Fukre 3, you mentioned it earlier. So excited for that. I think, there was the script reading session, a brainstorming session that the makers had put on, I think, Instagram or Twitter, some photo of that Zoom. So I think the euphoria started of your Fukre gang, your fans, your extended Fukre family who love the franchise and love you guys in it. So excited for that, and I'm sure you're getting those messages in your inbox. Kab shooting shuru ho rahi hai, kab release ho
rahi hai? That's the question people have been asking right after the release of Fukre Returns. So we have all been very, very excited about it, and finally now we are going to film soon. We're going to begin filming soon. I think early 2021 we'll be on floor and shooting the film. The work on that has already started. Pre-production has started, and we have all heard the script, and it's going to be wackier, crazier, and bigger than all the other Fukres.
Okay, so waiting that. But last message to your fans, Pulkit, who are watching you today, what would you like to say to them ahead of Diwali and, of course, ahead of Tesh's release?
First and foremost, please stay safe. Maintain social distance, wear your masks, and maintain proper hand hygiene. Okay, and be empathetic towards people. And while you're doing all of this, please do not forget to watch Tesh as a movie and as a web series on ZEE5 Premium this 29th October. Please do watch it.
Absolutely. So stay safe, stay entertained, and watch Tesh from the comfort of your homes. Thank you so much, Pulkit, for joining us. Stay safe, stay happy, and of course, a happy Diwali to you and all the very best for Tesh.
Thank you so much, Uday. Happy Diwali to you too, and a safe one.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.